Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's my first day of my YouTube channel, and have you guys wondering why I'm making this YouTube channel? But before all of that, I'm gonna introduce myself. Hi, my name is Jaden Bernice Rivera Mijares. I am from Philippines and I am 9 years old. I just know how to speak English. Our mom taught us, and then I live in Cordova, Cebu City, and I am a, dance sport athlete. Oh, sorry. That's why I keep finding this. It was just there all along. And then let's continue. I am a dance sport athlete, and I am a ballerina dancer, and I know how to dance as well. I teach some kids at my school at Barrio Non Elementary School. That's from Lapu-Lapu, but I transfer school now, but it's okay. At grade 5, I'll transfer school. And guys, the one who supports me, thank you so much. And the one, it's okay, everybody. And the one, if you see my, channel, that's not actually my original videos. It's actually Spy Ninjas, and that was the videos that I used to watch. But now not, I am a grown up already. I am 9 years old. It's okay, but Spy Ninjas makes happy. And shout out to Royalty Family. If you don't know that, just search Royalty Family, because Andrea and her family are so sweet. Thank you for supporting me, guys, and I keep liking their videos. It's inspiration, and their family has like something kind of happy, and his brother, their son is, I forgot the name, but I will just tell you guys, and thank you so much. That's all I'm gonna tell you for today's video. Thank you so much for supporting me. It's okay, you cannot like and subscribe, but it's okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye.